Assalamu alaikum. We took the jawf and the throat and the tongue. Now let's move to the fourth major articulation point, which is the two lips. The fourth one. Okay, this is the number of articulation points, the specific one. Like how many specific points, articulation points do we have? Here is the number of the letters. So here we have two specific, for the lips of course, we have two specific articulation points for four letters. So let's know what are these two specific articulation points and what are the four letters. So the two specific articulation points are they are two, one and we have two. Okay, we have number one. The first specific articulation point is that when you bring the upper teeth with the lower lip, and this is مخرج what? This is مخرج الفاء. Try to say F. You will notice that you bring the upper teeth with the lower lip. Okay, this is the first specific articulation point. Let's move to the second specific articulation point, which is joining the two lips. Number one, we have closing, and number two, we have circling them. Closing them, we have ba and mim. Try to say ab. You'll notice that you closed your two lips. You join them together by closing them, ab. And try to say also you join your two lips by closing them. This is two letters. Okay, ba, two letters, ba and mim, closing. Okay, let's see circling. Which letter do we circle our lips? In the واو غير المادية. For example, when I say أو, the واو letter, but not the مادية, the غير مادية, the non-extendable one. For example, let's say أو. Did you notice when you pronounced أو, you joined your two lips by circling them. So this is for the أو. So we have two specific articulation point. This is number one and this is number two. Okay, how many letters do we have? We have four letters, as we mentioned. Mentioned here. Four letters and two specific articulation points. What are the two specific articulation points? They are the upper teeth with the lower lip. Number two, the joining the two lips. What are the four letters? Let's count together. Number one, number two, number three, and number four. So two specific articulation points for four letters. This is for the two lips. Okay. Okay, here the two lips, الشفتان. Let's start with the four letters. We're going to take the four letters and learn each مخرج. Okay, they are four as we mentioned. فا, واو, غير مادية, باء and ميم. Okay, let's see the fa. Try to say F. So when you say F, okay, you will notice that the tip of the upper incisors are the upper top teeth or the frontal teeth. With what? With the part of the lower lip. So very easy, tip of the upper top teeth with the lower lip. Just like this. This is مخرج الفاء. As you can see in this diagram, F, this is the teeth, this is the upper teeth, and this is the lower lip. So when the tip of the upper teeth touches the lower lip, this is the articulation point of the fa, مخرج الفاء. Let's move to the واو articulation point. This one here, it's not واو مادية as I mentioned before. It's a non-extendable واو. it could be واو لينة. For example, when I say أو, when you say أو, you will notice that your lips, you circled to the two lips and pushed them to the front, and you let a small opening between them. Try to say أو. You circled your lips, you push them in front to the front, and you let a small opening between them when you pronounce أو. So this is for the articulation point for the واو غير مادية letter. Okay, let's move to the third letter, which is the ba. The ba, when you say, try to say ab, you closed the two lips when you say ab. Okay, on one another, need more pressing than the letter meme. Okay, this is for the ba. Also meme, you will close the lips and try to say close the two lips on one another, but here like there is no pressing like the ba letter. Okay, there is another thing, another characteristic for the meme, and it's the ghunna sound, which comes out from the nasal passage, from the khayshum, which is this green area. Okay, the nasal passage, the nasal cavity, the nasal passage, al khayshum. So the meme articulation point is by closing the two lips, as you can see here, and from there is a ghunna sound from the nasal passage, as you can see.